everyone, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today with a huge PR haul 2024. I can't wait to open everything. I've got so many packages here that I'm very excited to see what they are. And also, many of these I can share with you beauty, so I'm very excited about that as well. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So this is the first package I just reached for here. Isn't it beautiful? This looks like it's from Urban Decay. It's pink and green font. Love that. And it says hyaluronic acid all nighter. So I think this is a new setting spray that they've come out with, infused with hyaluronic acid. So doesn't that sound amazing? Because I think, it'll be more moisturizing and more hydrating to our skin. So let's go ahead and see a beautiful, oh, so far it is so beautiful. Okay. So here it is, guys. Beautiful packaging that oh, stop. You guys, look at this. Okay, let's put this right here for a second. It says it's bouncy skin, all day hydration, refreshing scent, and locks makeup in for 16 hours. Wow. But you guys, look at this. Oh, these are little balls. I want to bounce it. Is it going to bounce? But Roxy is right there and she's going to go crazy. Okay, let's just try and see what happens. Oh, she could choke on that. No, Roxy, it's too small. But look at the pink and green. I love that. So let's go ahead and try it out. I wish I could think of something to do with these. They're so cute. Maybe I have to read more about that. Maybe there's a purpose to them, because that would be so nice. Or just put them in a glass jar. Maybe, oh yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll put them in a glass jar like they're gumballs, like one of those clear jars. So let's test this out. Look at how pretty the packaging is. Oh, it says it has a watermelon fruit extract scent. I'm so happy because I have the Chetti London has a watermelon setting spray that I love. I just use it because I love the scent. But let's, oh, this smells so good. Look how beautiful. Oh, I love the packaging. Wow, it smells so good. The Chetti London has, again, the watermelon setting spray, but it smells like watermelon, but that's a little bit sweeter, so I like that one. So let's keep it moving, guys. Let's see what this is. So let me go ahead and I should have got these ready before I came to hang out. Come to hang out with you guys, right? Okay, I can do it though, guys, right? Let's go ahead. Let's see, what is this? Now, some of these actually, what is this? Stop, you guys. I saw this online and I was gonna go and buy it because it's the, wait till you see, it's the, guys, it's the new Rare Beauty. Okay, first of all, this is beautiful. It feels like, oh my goodness, velvet packaging. They just send the most beautiful packages. But oh my gosh, you guys, look at how beautiful. These are the new, I believe they're powder pressed finishing powder. Wow, I am so blessed, you guys. Oh my god, oh, look how beautiful. This is amazing. Rare Impact. Oh my goodness, what is this? Weightless tinted powder that does it all, blurs, smooths, reduces shine, and sets makeup. No! Look at how cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I saw somebody, I think they put this on their Stanley cup and they had all kinds of cute things inside. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope that, oh, I'll just put like a little charm thing so I could put this on my Stanley. Oh my gosh, and it comes with a poof. Oh, so you got your poof in here. Wow, that is so cute and it's so soft. Wow, and the poof, let's try it out. I can't wait. I was gonna go in store to buy this. Oh, this is so soft. I hope you guys can see, but you see how thick that is? It's super duper thick because these, a lot of these velour poofs, they're not as thick whatsoever. So, and this is so soft. The velour is so soft. So here, let's just grab for one. I'm not sure what color this is. This one is called Ivory. So let me see the other ones that they sent. Here is natural, and then maybe this one is, oh, maybe it's porcelain. Oh, it is porcelain. So which one should I, oh, porcelain doesn't look that way. And then ivory, let's see. Oh, look how deep ivory looks. Oh, okay, so I can use ivory. And let me just put a little bit on. Oh, that's, oh my goodness. And it has the triangle on here is pressing the powder so perfectly under my eyes, but look at how beautiful that finish is. Wow. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Oh my, and the packaging is so beautiful and different. Oh, will it fit in here? Oh, it fits in here perfect. You guys, look at how cute it fits in this little bag. Oh, and then you could put your poof. Okay, and I am the one that loves to have my powder with me all the time because I love to powder my face throughout the day. So I'm gonna put this like on my Stanley or whatever. I'll just put this in my purse. This is amazing. This is such a great idea. Wow, thank you so much, Rare Beauty. Oh, thank you so much to Urban Decay. I didn't say. Wow, I was just gonna go. I was just gonna go and store and try to get one of those. So, okay, now what I was saying before, guys, is oh, here's my scissors. Some of these things I believe I ordered myself. I'm not sure. So I don't know, guys. Let's keep it moving. So this is a pretty big box because one thing I think I ordered, and sometimes I send it to my P.O. box because people have stolen my mail before. Oh, guys, look. Oh, my gosh. I love Origins. Oh, my goodness. Wow. So let's see what they sent. Last time they sent me the sunscreen, which is amazing. It doesn't leave you too oily. Oh, wow. I have used this before, and I love this. This is their Clear Improvement Mask. Actually, here they have a hydrating lotion, acne clearing lotion. It's infused with bamboo charcoal and zinc. And yes, I love these so much. Here's a lotion. Now the mask I used to use all the time because this is the mask because I love how it shrinks your pores and it makes your skin feel so clean. So here is a spot remover for acne. Thank you so much, Origins. So here is another package. What this is. Let's see, I can get into it. What is it? That was weird. I took off the tab. Okay. All right, here it is. It's coming up. Oh, I just saw it. See, this is something I ordered. You guys, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. So I'm not going to open it today. I'll just unbox it really quickly. But this, again, I ordered this. So I'm so excited, guys. Yeah, like I said, a few things here I ordered. I ordered. This is not PR. So, you guys, this is the mystery box. I'm so excited. I don't want to open it. I want to open it with you guys. Wow. It's very heavy. It is very, very heavy. Feels like there's a substantial amount of goodies in here. And then here, guys, I got a package from ColourPop. So, oh, I can't wait till my beauty room is ready because right now it's getting messy in here, but then I can test everything out much easier when it's all organized. Oh, this is the Juicy Lip Liner Plumping Lip Gloss. And I guess this is something else new because I've tried these before and I love them. Now, oh my gosh, guys, look, they sent all the colors. These lip liners are so good. They plump your lips. The colors in themselves are beautiful. And then, oh, here is something new that I haven't tried. I did try the lipstick. I don't think they sent the lipstick. Did they? Oh yes. Did they? I'm not sure. Are these all? But it's an exact dupe for the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lips. Exact dupe. So here is a plumping gloss lip oil. So I haven't tried these. Look at how gorgeous these look. There is just a bunch of these in here. So cannot wait to get into those and test those out with you beauties and put them in a giveaway. Here's another package. Let's see what this is. I'm trying to go as fast as possible, guys, so we can get to everything. I've got so much stuff here. It's like all over the place. But, okay, let's see. Let's see what it is. Oh, what is this? Oh, wow. So this is how it looks so far. I don't know what it is, but, oh, wow. What is this? The K. Kerastase? Wow. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to open this, you guys. This is so, that bow is gorgeous. I love to save the bows. I wish I maybe when my room is ready, I'll have more ideas because I want to use this like a decoration. I'll put this back on the box and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So I think this is, or is this Kerastase? Yes. And oh my gosh, you guys, this is the Iconic Hair Oil. And oh my goodness, the Iconic Wild Camilla. So wow, thank you so much, Kerastase. I cannot wait. Kerastase has transformed my hair. It's so amazing. So thank you so much. I know I didn't have any hair and I started using Kerastase products and my hair grew back and I used to get those Brazilian blowouts, and that was horrible. First of all, it's very unhealthy for you, but it made my hair like essentially fall out. So that actually grew my hair back. So then beauties, I actually got this the other day, but I didn't get to show it to you. But this is from Rare Beauty. So this is just absolutely gorgeous travel makeup bag, and then they filled it with all these beautiful beautiful goodies like this headband, terry headband, so soft. And they also included in here the hair and body mist, which I love, and then the Find Comfort exfoliating body wash. And then here it has zippered compartments, and then there's another zippered compartment over here where there is the lotion. This is the Find Comfort body lotion. So how beautiful is this? This is so perfect that I could take with me when I go to California, when I'm traveling. So let me show you too. You can carry it like a bag. So I'm going to put all my toiletries in here. So thank you so much, Rare Beauty. Look at how cute that is. So you can carry it. This is great. You could take it to school with you, to work, if you want to put your makeup in here so you could get ready on the go. I'm going to take that with me again on my travels. If you travel a lot, I'm going to put all my beauty products in there. So that was amazing. And then I got a package here from Lancome, and they sent here the Clarifique, which is it's another version of Genifique, but this one is more brightening. So I've been using this and I love it. It's a serum. They've sent the makeup remover, and then they sent some more of the eye blushers, which I love. These are liquid shadows, super easy to use. It looks almost like a lipstick, and you put it on your eye, so easy. You could smudge it out with your finger. This actually would be great for traveling too, because you could do a quick eye. It comes on a wand, and you just, you know, smudge it into your eye, and you just makes your eyes brighter and more wide awake. And they sent a bunch of those and a bunch of the UV Expert. And then I also got more Hustle Butter Deluxe Daily Rejuvenating Lotion. This is so amazing. Smells. If you like Sol de Janeiro, you would absolutely love this. It has a delicious, intoxicating suntan scent, sort of that beachy scent. So, and it's so moisturizing. It makes your skin so soft. So they were going to have to send me more of this. They have sent this to me before, and they sent me more. So I love this. So thank you so much, Lancome and Hustle Butter Deluxe. Hustle Butter Deluxe is available at Ulta. So then this company was good enough to send me this beauty device to try out. This is from Amiro. And this is, I believe, I have to investigate more, but I believe it's something like a LED facial device. Let's see here. I have to look into it. But can't wait to try this out. I'll be back and we'll test that out, and I'll share a review. And then beauties, I got my Ipsy glam bag here, so I'll be back and we'll unbox this. So I got the glam bag and this is the glam bag, and this is the this is the BoxyCharm, and this is the glam bag. So I'll be back and we'll unbox those together. And then guys, I got this. Now I'm not sure who sent this to me. I don't know where this came from. I have to look into it more, but somebody sent me this. I think it's a wig. So let me look into it, but here it is. It's so crazy. It's actually a wig. Has curls already put into it. And so I have to look up exactly who sent this to me, but I can't wait to put this on. It looks so cute. It's actually from, it doesn't say here. So I have to look into it, but it feels like human hair. It's so soft. So I cannot wait. Thank you so much to whoever sent this to me. I can't wait to try it. There's no note in here or anything. So I just look at it. It looks beautiful. So I can't wait to wear that. Maybe when I wear it, or maybe they'll comment down below. Comment down below if you sent that to me. Thank you so much. I think it's beautiful. And I can't wait to put it on. I think it'll look amazing. So thank you beauties so much for checking out my huge PR haul unboxing 2024. I could have sworn I had another package, but I can't find it right now. But if I find it and I can unbox it with you beauties, I definitely will. I wish I could find it. But anyway guys, there's just so many boxes here right now. I can't find everything. But be on the lookout. Check out my community tab because I'm going to post a giveaway for you beauties very soon with items that you see today and other items I've been collecting for you, dolls that I've gotten in PR and that I've seen along the way. So I can't wait for you beauties to get a package too. So check out my community tabs, and my beauty room is almost finished, so we'll be back to having giveaways soon. So I can't wait to share all of this with you dolls too. So again, be on the lookout for that giveaway and be a subscriber so you can take part in the giveaways. Comment hashtag GlamFam if you see a giveaway that you want to enter. Just use hashtag GlamFam so I know you want to take part. And that's pretty much it. So thank you beauties so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.